Give it to me like.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Skyla here, and I'm back with another video. It's been a minute, but you know, we here now, so we're making a tumbler. I'm spraying some 91% alcohol to clean off the top, and I'm checking to make sure that my hot fix tool is hot. Now, I used the wrong size for this one because this hole gave me a run for my money, child. But as y'all can see, I'm making a hole at the bottom with the hot fix tool. I don't trust myself with the drill. So we're taking some masking tape and we're wrapping it around the tumbler so I could try not to, you know, get a lot of glitter stuck to the tape. And I'm taking my weeding tool from Cricut and I am going to put the glitter inside of the tumbler. So I went and got my massager that I had got from Amazon, and I'm using that to maneuver the glitter inside of the hole because, like I said, I used the wrong size bit to make the hole, so the hole wasn't that big, so the glitter and the LVs was clogging up the hole and it was just a lot. But I'm using that to make the glitter go in the tumbler a little faster than what I was doing with my little weeding tool. So now that the glitter is all in and I'm happy, I'm using my mixture to fill it up. And once again, the hole was too small, so my solution was backing out. It was a whole bunch. It's a whole lot of. This is a new solution that I decided to go with to make this tumbler, and I really do like it. I call it my stiff solution because the glitter is not flowy, it stays in place, and I really like that solution. So it is available on the selfmadebrand.com. Right now you can get snow globes. They're customizable. You could pick your glitter, you could pick what you want on it. I made this one a LV one. You can get this one, just let me know in the notes to seller. But yeah, I love this solution because it don't move. Like, it will fall over time, but it's going to stay in place for a long period of time. It's not like one of those tumblers where you flip it over and the solution starts falling down to the bottom or to the top, and then by the time you get halfway through your drink, all your glitter is at the bottom. It ain't that. It's going to stay in place. It's stiff. It ain't gonna move like some of y'all baby hairs on y'all wigs. Yeah, it ain't moving. So yeah. So right here, I'm shaking the tumbler around. I put a temporary seal on it at the bottom, so this way I could maneuver the glitter from the top of the brim to make sure that the solution gets every ounce of the glitter that it possibly can. And that's what I'm doing right here, shaking it up and everything. And as you can see, the glitter isn't falling, but I'm just trying to maneuver the glitter around in the tumbler so it could find its place and it won't get stuck. So here I'm doing my seal. I used 2 of the Gorilla dots to seal it, and now I'm putting some UV resin on it. That's how I seal my tumblers, with Gorilla Glue dots and some UV resin, a UV light, and yeah, that's what I do. So here's how I completely cure the bottom of my tumbler. I take whatever glitter that I use for my tumbler and pour it in some UV resin, and I take a popsicle stick and maneuver it all around. Now please use gloves. I don't know why I didn't have gloves on, but I've been doing this for a little while now, so I don't really typically wear gloves when I'm doing this, but you should be wearing gloves. So yeah, I put the UV resin with my glitter. I cure it for 90 minutes with my UV lamp, and that's how I cure the bottom of the tumblers with the glitter. Now if it's still wet or tacky, I would cure it twice on 90 minutes to make sure that it's fully cured. So here is the bottom of the tumbler. It looks just like the glitter is sitting at the bottom of the tumbler, but it's actually cured on. So I'm taking some LVs that I cut with my Cricut, and I got this vinyl from Michaels, and I'm just placing them all over the tumbler. I ended up taking this sheet that I'm using now. I ended up taking those labels off because I didn't like how dark it was with the tumbler and you couldn't really see it. So I ended up taking those off like a couple of days later and put the other ones on that I have. But I made this design up with my Cricut and just printed it out. So once I finished putting the stickers where I wanted them to go, or the decals where I wanted it to go, this is how the tumbler came out. I put my logo underneath the bottom, and that's it for this video.